How to make money on Upwork? The pay might not be high and Upwork take its cut, but this marketplace is good for connecting with clients and building your portfolio. What is Upwork? Upwork is a marketplace for freelancers in fields like writing, graphic design, and web development. The site helps professionals find projects, communicate with clients, and get paid. If you are a new freelancer or working in a new field, you can rack up a valuable experience without always having to pitch client cold. But the site is full of new workers who are willing to take work for a lower rate, which can impact your earning potential. Overall, our work make it easier to find jobs and make money more. But think carefully about which gigs you want to apply for, and check out our guide to managing money as a freelancer for advice on how to handle your newfound income once it starts rolling in. How to make money on our work? Set up a robust and honest profile. Your profile serves the same purpose as a general resume for prospective employees. You can get work without one. Fill out the job tab you had like to do the specific areas in which you are skilled and your level of expertise. This is all self-reported, so be honest. If you get hired for jobs you can't deliver on, your account you could be put on hold or closed. After that, add a headset and a detailed description of your background. You can include links to a portfolio or to specific work samples. You can also fill in your education, how many hours per week you can work, location, and preferred rates. If you are not sure what to charge, check out the rates of other freelancers on Upwork who have similar experience. Upwork will typically approve your profile within 24 hours, assuming your profile is verifiable and accurate. Then you can get working. Choose a membership plan. Upwork offers two membership plans for freelancer: basic and plus. Basic, this plan is free, but you will pay to connect with potential clients. Freelancers on the basic plan pay $0.15 for each content. The platform internal tokens which are used to submit proposals to clients. You can roll over up to 140 connects each month. If someone reaches out to you, you don't have to use any connects. The more robust your profile looks, the more likely you are to receive job offers from potential clients. Displaying your best work or highlighting specific experience can help you stand out. If you are new to your field, volunteer experience counts too. The basic plan also includes payment protection for hourly and project-based payment. Plus, this plan is $14.99 per month and includes everything in the basic plan as well. 70 connects per month, visibility into what price competitors have bid or a job, options to keep earning confidential, ability to customize your profile, your profile never hidden due to inactivity, connect with legitimate employers, use your connect to submit proposals for job in your wheelhouse. Proposal should include an introductory letter, your desired fee, and answers to questions the client include in the posting. You can also send examples of any work you think would be relevant. Before applying for a gig, get an idea of the potential employees' reputations. The Better Business Bureau, Glassdoor, and a search for news coverage of the employer on Google are good places to start your research. Upwork's rating system helps you decide who you really want to work with and lets others see if they want to hire you. Much like Uber or Lyft, both parties rates each other after the contract incomplete. Employees are graded on a 5-star scale and their ratings are visible on their pages. Ratings from your clients make up your job success score, which is percentage displayed on your profile that represent how many gigs were completed to the client's satisfaction. These ratings help you decide who you really want to work with, and lets others see if they want to hire you. If even if everything checks out, keep communication and payment within the site, documenting behavior on both sides, discovery scams, as clients will be held accountable for making shady payments or work requests or making claims but about your work without inside proof. Number 4. Set your price and start working. Upwork takes a cut of your earning. The free structure is a sliding scale based on the total amount you bill with the client over time. So the more you work with the client, the similar the cut they can you can expect Upwork to take. 20% for the first $5,500 you bill a client, 10% of our total billing with the client between $500 and $10,000. 5% for total billing with the client that exceed $10,000. You can get paid in one of two ways, hourly or fixed price. Our fees are the same for both. Your hourly rate on Upwork is the price before the service deduction. So if you list a rate of $20 per hour of your first gig, you can expect to earn $16 per hour after 20% fee. Once you have billed $500 with the client, the fee drops to 10%. You would earn $18 per hour. When you negotiate a rate for a fixed price job, the same ideas applies. If you are getting paid for $400 for a job, you will be paid $320 after the 20% cut. Once you have billed $500 with that client, the fee drops to 10%. If you are approached for a job with a low rate of pay, don't take it at face value. Negotiate with the customer to find a price that fits. If you are approached for a job when a low rate of pay for much tougher work, you don't have to take it at face value. Negotiate with the customer to find a price that fits. Hourly project. All hourly projects get logged in your as work diary, which is built into our desktop app. With a function on the app will keep a detailed record of your progress on a project. The app tracks your time in 10 minutes billing cycles. It records keystrokes, scrolling clicks, and active windows. It also takes a screenshot periodically. You can also turn the work diary on and off at any time and log work manually instead, but using the tool help you qualify for an Upwork service called hourly protection. This service ensures that you are paid for work you can prove you completed, even if a client refuses.